Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Tom from Philadelphia Website Solutions, and today we're going to install and set up a local host, a server on our computer where we can develop WordPress websites where we're not making changes to our current website that's on the internet. This will keep your website from crashing or running into issues where your visitors see mistakes that you may have made developing your theme on WordPress. So first thing we need to do is download MAMP. MAMP comes with MAMP Pro. MAMP itself is free, MAMP Pro is not, but it downloads both of them and sets up both of them. Now if you try to remove MAMP Pro, you may run into an issue because some of the required files for MAMP are stored in MAMP Pro. So go ahead and just download both of them, keep them on your computer, and we will set it up and I'll show you how to use it. So we're going to use MAMP and MAMP Pro for Mac OS X. So I'm going to click download. Now you're going to get this little message. This can harm your computer. It's not going to harm your computer. If you get it from mamp.info, it won't harm your computer. So go ahead and hit keep. And it's going to download. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick as it downloads. Alright, so I got MAMP downloaded here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Now, if you run into an issue where it says it can't be downloaded on your computer because it's not an identified developer, go ahead and go to your Mac preferences, system preferences, I should say. I'm just waiting for mine to load real quick. Go to security and privacy. Open that up. Go to right here, general, and allowed apps download from. Now, if it's locked, you click on this. It's going to ask you for your password. Put in your password. And you can go ahead and change it to anywhere or identified developers. MAMP will not work with identified developers, so you go ahead and change it to anywhere. You go ahead and lock it so it doesn't change again. After you download it, feel free to put it back to Mac App Store only. That's your preference. So I just make sure I download stuff that I know it works. So if you run into that issue, that's how you fix it. Now next we're going to do is the introduction, continue. You can read me if you'd like. You can print it or save it. I don't need to do any of that. Your license, just go ahead and make sure you read everything about this. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead and hit continue. I agree to your license. Install for all users on this computer. Sure. So you click on that and hit continue. And we're going to hit install. Going to ask you for your password. Password in, and it's going to install. I'm going to pause it while it installs. Alright, so mine downloaded and installed. I'm going to go ahead and hit close. And now we're going to go ahead and open MAMP. So to open MAMP and run it, I'm going to go to my applications and look for MAMP, M-A-P, and you want to use MAMP, not MAMP Pro. You can use MAMP Pro for a certain amount of time, but go ahead and use MAMP and look for the MAMP icon here. It's an elephant. Double click on that, and then it's going to open up the MAMP. And this is how we're going to launch our uncheck that and just hit launch. So now we're going to launch our Apache server and our MySQL. So I'm going to hit start here. Now we might run into an issue, so if we do, we're going to go ahead and fix that. Like I said, the ports on your computer may be running different applications and may interfere, but mine did not apparently. So good. If you do run into an issue with the port, you go to preferences over here and go to ports, and you can change your ports here. I was expecting mine to fail, but it did not, so that's cool. If you do run into an issue, leave me a message on YouTube. I'll make a quick video on how to figure out your ports. Hold on a second. Alright, so sorry about that. My dog was barking and I want to stop it because I'm sure it's extremely loud. So we got MAMP set up. Here we can change where our locations are of our files. I'm going to keep it as default for now. So, alright, we got MAMP running. And I'm just going to put this somewhere. I'm going to minify it. And you're going to get a web page to show up. Now, I don't prefer to work with Safari. The developer tools are not that great with Safari. So what I want to do is use this in Google Chrome, which is my preferred browser, or Web Developers by Mozilla Firefox is another great one that I just started using. So I'm going to copy this link here, and I'm going to close Safari because I'm not a fan, and open another tab, and open MAMP in this tab. Put that there for you. So it's going to open my landing server page. This is where we can figure out all our information. So it gives you a lot of news about MAMP. It gives you your host, local host, port 889, user and password are root. So you're going to need that if you're messing around with PHP My Admin. So it gives you some great information. Now, what I want to do is, now we got this set up, in the next tutorial we're going to install WordPress on the MAMP so we can run WordPress. So see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube. I'll be sure to help you out. Have a nice day.